Wala kang credit card pero mayroon kang gustong bilhin and you want to pay in installments, tapos wala ka pang mahiraman. All this time, nag-iisip ka kung saan ka kukuha ng pambili or ng extra budget. Hindi mo alam, matagal nang nandyan si Belize, patiently and quietly waiting for you. So kung ganun, then this video is for you and please keep on watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about personal finance, a bit of work from home stuff, and also snippets into my life. Also, just a quick disclosure, I am not a professional financial advisor and the content that I share is based lamang po on my personal experience and opinion. So, I have had Belize for a long time. Matagal-tagal ko na siyang na-activate, pero ngayon ko pa lang siya gagawa ng video. So, to get started, let's start with a big question. What is Belize? Belize is a popular buy now, pay later service in the Philippines that allows us to make purchases kahit online man yan or offline sa physical store. And nag-o-offer din sila ng flexible payment plans. Plus, ang nakaganda dito kay Belize, marami siyang partner merchants. So, practically, parang magagamit mo siya almost everywhere. Belize offers a lot of services. May pa-revolving credit na siya. Meron pa siyang pa-cash loan. Meron din siyang mobile load. Meron ding e-wallet top-up. And also bill payments. So, parang all-in-one app na talaga siya. How to get started? Siyempre, download mo muna yung app. Available naman po si Belize both sa Android at saka sa iOS na platform. And then from there, you only need one valid government ID. Minsan, humihingi rin sila ng proof of billing. So, in that case, pwede mong gamitin yung electricity bill mo, yung water bill mo for as long as same lang yung address na nakikita sa bill and sa ID mo. And then from there, provide nyo na lang yung mga details mo and you can get your Belize account set up and approved in as fast as 5 minutes. Sabi nga nila, mabilis kay Belize. So magkano ang credit line na pwedeng ma-approve kay Belize? The initial credit line usually nasa 2,000 to 10,000 pesos lang, which is normal if you're a new user kasi you have to prove your worth pa kay Belize, diba? You have to gain their trust na good payer ka and then responsible ka sa mga bills mo. So, yung sa akin, parang hindi ko na maalala, but I think I got approved yung initial ko nasa 4,000 or 5,000 pesos only. But then, with responsible use, when I say responsible use, nagbabayad ka on time, tapos regular usage ng credit line mo, pwede ka bigyan ni Belize ng as much as 50,000 pesos na credit line. Also, just a heads up, kung bago ka pa na-approve kay Belize, yung cash loan option or offer nila ay hindi agad-agad available sa inyo. But that doesn't mean hindi mo makukuha yung pera mo or yung approved credit line mo. Say for example, na-approve ka ng 5,000 na credit line. Pwede mo pa rin yung makuha, but you have to select yung option na e-wallets. So, andito, meron siyang e-wallet na option. Tap mo lang yan and then merong mga partner na e-wallets dyan. So, andyan si GCash, Maya, GrabPay, Coins.ph, may Shopee, and also Bayad. So, pili ka lang dyan and you can transfer na your desired amount. Now, ang catch lang, medyo mas mataas yung interest if itra-transfer mo to your e-wallet compared sa cash loan. Pero as I have said, kung bagong user ka, wala tayong ibang option but to go with that route. But later on, pag na-approve ka na kay cash loan, definitely doon tayo kay cash loan kasi mas mababa, significantly low yung interest niya compared kay e-wallet or compared sa ibang mga OLAs right now. In terms of the repayment plans naman, Belize gives you the flexibility option of paying in 30 days up to 12 months. Pero in my case, up to 9 months lang yung binigay ni Belize sa akin. Maybe because I haven't really used Belize regularly. I mean, matagal na siya sa akin pero hindi ko siya gaano ginagamit. So, yeah, still at 9 months lang yung maximum repayment offer ko. And then, yung sample computation naman, pakita ko lang. So this is the sample computation. Let's say kukuha ako ng 1,000 pesos, tapos I'll transfer it to the e-wallet. Meron akong option dito, either bi-weekly or weekly. You know what? Sa iba kasi yung option nila parang bi-weekly or monthly. Pero sa akin, ito lang, weekly or bi-weekly. So this is a sample computation. If kukuha ko ng 1,000 pesos tapos i-transfer natin doon sa e-wallet, ito yung magiging amount. 299 pesos if I choose to pay it in 2 months. Tapos, so that's 299 times 4 payments. So that's 1,196. Deduct natin yung principal loan. 196 pesos ang total na tubo. Tapos, we divide that by the principal loan na 1,000. 19.6 divided by 2. Bale, nasa 9.8% yung interest sa e-wallet. Now, dito naman, sa 1,000 pesos, payable pa rin in 2 months, if yung cash loan offer ay available na, eto siya. So, babayaran ko siya in 2 months sa halagang 276 pesos times 4 payments. That's 1,104. And then, take away yung principal na 1,000. Ayan siya, divided by 1,000. So, nasa 10.4% divided by 2. Ito, 5.2% yung monthly interest niya. So, parang napakalaki ng difference. Sa e-wallet, 9.8%. Ito, almost half, 5.2%. So, as you can see, there's a significant difference sa monthly interest. Mas prefer talaga na ma-approve din kayo sa cash loan option kasi sobrang baba ng interest na pinapatong nila. If you compare that to other loan sharks out there na pumapalo sa like 15 to 30% monthly interest per month, sobrang okay na nito ni Belize. Kaya again, it remains to be one of the best na pagkukunan ng cash loan out there. Parang andun siya, nasa top 5 siya automatic, 'di ba? And ma-share ko lang, as I've mentioned, matagal-tagal na sa akin si Belize. Kaya nga lang, parang na-stuck lang ako sa 37,650 na credit limit or credit line kasi nga hindi ko siya ginagamit. And nung ginamit ko pa siya last time, parang ginamit ko siya for load. So, nag-load lang ako ng mga 50 pesos or 100 pesos. So, yun lang. So, still at 37,650 pesos. And I'm super thankful kasi kahit hindi ko siya ginagamit, hindi nila binabaan yung credit line ko. So, I can still use it if kailangan. Final thoughts. Belize is not perfect but definitely one of the best and most flexible and user-friendly credit options available in the Philippine market. So if you value transparency, low interest, and flexibility, Belize is definitely worth checking out. So have you used Belize? Share nyo naman in the comment section what was your experience with Belize. And if you're still here and you like what you see, then please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and share this to someone who might actually need it. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!